So to conclude this case study, it's time to implement the decision. The people who need to know are my superior, my administration and leadership team, parents, and the legal advisor I choose to bring on board. What could happen? Parents could be mostly satisfied with this option, willing to move forward. The new program involving the parent organization could benefit the teachers, students, and all families. It could be a real success. Or the parent group could become unhappy and start to cause real trouble. They could feel dissatisfied with not having their complete way, and they could fight the decision. They could go above my head to my superiors. They could create dissension in the community and start to gossip about myself in the school. They could refuse to be helpful in the other ways that we really counted on. It could be bad. And this president, who is a young attorney, he may know about some legal loopholes to really target us and try to make us pay. How I would respond. Number one, if parents are willing to be cooperative, I would do all that I could to serve and work with this group. I would really try to involve them as much as I possibly could. However, if they are unhappy, I will direct them to my superiors. I feel that they would have more know-how and more expertise than me just handling this situation on my own. I would continue seeking legal help and advice. I would bring on someone who is an expert in legal matters, just as this young attorney is, so that I wouldn't have the disadvantage in that situation. And in the meantime, I would be transparent with my own team, my own staff, and parents as well, because if things are going badly and if this parent organization is spreading negative information across the community will need to hear from me on the issue, and so I would address them in a positive way, just informing them that there were some differences between myself and the parent organization, but ultimately just reiterate my goals for serving students, providing quality education, and involving families as much as possible. And I would continue to explain and inform the community of ways that we do value parent support and ways that parents can get involved, and try to just have an open door policy for parents to come and visit the school and volunteer and participate as much as they can. This concludes my case study. I really enjoyed considering this challenging situation, and I felt that it was very beneficial for me to break the situation apart into the facts and consider all options and the pros and cons of each option. It was really good practice for my future, and I hope that my ideas spark some new ones with you. Thanks for watching.